Hello guys and welcome back to Pakistani American News Channel. Now I'll tell you about today's currency rates. US dollar to PKR 283 rupees. Euro to PKR 310 rupees. British pound to PKR 359.5 rupees. UAE dirham 77.45 rupees. Saudi Riyal to PKR 75.45 rupees. Kuwaiti dinar to PKR 925.08 rupees. Canadian dollar to PKR 210.5 rupees. Australian dollar to PKR 189 rupees. Omani Real to PKR 739.38 rupees. Japanese yen to PKR 2 rupees. Qatar Real to PKR 77.99 rupees. Bahrain Dinar to PKR 756.21 rupees. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe.